Samuel Lloyd Milby, born May 23, 1984, is a Filipino-American actor, model, and musician. He came to prominence after joining the first edition of Pinoy Big Brother. Samuel Lloyd Milby was born on May 23, 1984 in Troy, Ohio, USA to parents Lloyd William Milby, an American businessman from Ohio, and Elsie Ronquillo Lacha, a Filipina from Tago, Surigao del Sur. Returning to the Philippines in 2005, Milby decided to seriously pursue a career in show business and modeling. He landed bit roles in some ads before obtaining a lead role in Close-Up's TV commercial with Barbie Almalbis. He subsequently joined Pinoy Big Brother, which featured 12 men and women from different walks of life. Milby was not one of the original 12, but joined the cast when one of the contestants left the house. After this, he became an actor and recording artist and signed a contract with ABS-CBN. His first major film debut was Close to You, produced by ABS-CBN subsidiary Star Cinema and co-starring John Lloyd Cruz and Bea Alonzo. In early 2006, Milby released a self-titled debut album. His concert, titled Heartthrobs, was performed at the Music Museum on February 2nd and 3rd, 2007. It was repeated on March 17, 2007, following the big success of the first concert. His first major solo concert, Sam Milby, Rockoostic Heartthrob, occurred at the Aliw Theater on October 25, 2008. He also performed in several concerts in USA, Canada, Asia, and Europe. Personal life. On May 23, 2020, Milby revealed that he is in a relationship with Miss Universe 2018, Catriona Gray. They announced their engagement on February 16, 2023, in a social media post. In 2024, he revealed that he had type 2 diabetes. In 2025, he revealed that he and Gray had broken up. He later shared that the breakup with Gray left him in an emotionally vulnerable state. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.